Good morning, everyone. Now in accountancy, that on Saturday we have seen that how to recognize economic and non-economic transaction. That is illustration 1. Now today we we will learn how to recognize whether the transaction is a cash transaction or a credit transaction, right? So for the recognition there are certain rules which is already given in the textbook page numbers 27. The identification of cash and credit transaction. Now how to identify, how to recognize that this is a cash transaction. In that first rule is there is an exchange of cash, exchange through cash or बैंक मीन्स कि अगर फॉर कैश या बैंक मीन्स चेक, अगर कैश या चेक से अगर एक्सचेंज हुआ हो, परचेजिंग हुआ हो, राइट, या सेलिंग हुआ हो, so that is a cash transaction. Second one, if the word cash is not mentioned and the name of the person, that is also not mentioned. First rule is if the cash, there is an exchange through cash or check, that is the first rule. Then second rule is cash word and name of the person both are not given, then also that is a cash transaction. And the third rule, last rule, that is bank cash account is definitely affected and consequently bank cash increases or decreases. Right, bank account increases or decreases or cash account increases or decreases. If this specify in the transaction, then that is a cash transaction. So mainly here we have to remind in our, we have to remember in our mind that for the recognition of cash transaction, first of all we have to see whether cash word is given. ये हमें सिर्फ मैं ये याद रखने के लिए बोल रही हूँ कि आप इस तरह से याद रख सकते हैं. दैट फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज़ इफ़ द कैश वर्ड इज़ गिवन. second one, if there is an exchange through cash or bank. And third one is that when cash word and name of the person both are not given, कैश वर्ड भी नहीं दिया है, नेम ऑफ द पर्सन भी नहीं दिया है, दोनों नहीं दिया है, तो भी ये कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट. तो हमें यही याद रखना है कि नेम ऑफ द पर्सन नहीं दिया हो तो कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, कैश वर्ड नहीं दिया हो तो कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट. देन कैश या चेक से लेन देन हुई हो तो कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट. कैश वर्ड दिया हो, समटाइम्स दे स्पेसिफाई दैट वी हैव गिवन चेक or we have given cash, to be cash transaction, right. So these things we have to keep in our mind. Now this is the recognition of cash. Now the recognition of credit transaction. How to recognize credit transaction? In that first one is no exchange through cash or bank. Bank means check आएगा, right. चेक, कैश या चेक से लेन देन नहीं दिया हो. सेकंड वन, इमर्जेंस ऑफ डेटर क्रेडिटर रिलेशन मीन्स कि यहाँ पे ये याद नहीं रख के हमें ये याद रखना है कि व्हेन क्रेडिट वर्ड इज़ गिवन इन द ट्रांजेक्शन, एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो दैट इज़ अ क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन. व्हेन नो एक्सचेंज थ्रू कैश और चेक, व्हेन क्रेडिट वर्ड इज़ गिवन, व्हेन नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज़ मेंशन, नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज़ गिवन बट कैश और बैंक इज़ नॉट गिवन. So at that time that is a credit transaction. तो क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन में क्या याद रखना है? एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्रेडिट वर्ड दिया हो तो, राइट. दूसरा कि नेम ऑफ द पर्सन दिया हो पर कैश या चेक नहीं दिया हो तो क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन. बस ये दो चीज़ें मोस्टली आप याद रखेंगे कि व्हेन क्रेडिट वर्ड इज़ गिवन, जब भी क्रेडिट वर्ड दिया हो तो क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन, जब भी क्रेडिट नेम ऑफ द पर्सन नहीं नेम ऑफ द पर्सन दिया हो बट कैश और चेक नहीं दिया हो तो भी क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट वेदर दिस इज़ अ कैश ट्रांजेक्शन और क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट. नाउ लेट्स सी इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 2. पहले हम इलस्ट्रेशन देख लें, एक्सरसाइज में बाद में कराऊंगी. that describe whether the following transactions are cash or credit and explain the reason for it. right? We explain the reason for it. First of all, goods is sold in cash for 500. हम ये रीज़न नहीं लिखेंगे, हम सिर्फ अभी आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, बिकॉज रीज़न से ही हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि ये रीज़न है, इसीलिए हम ये आइडेंटिफाई, हम इसको कैश या क्रेडिट दे रहे हैं, राइट? सो डू नॉट go for the reason, just to identify whether this is a cash transaction or credit transaction. And this is the most important part of accountancy, that recognition of cash transaction or credit transaction. If you do not identify, if you do not able to identify this, you cannot able to solve the sum, right? So here you can say that I am teaching you ABCDs A today. So learn this A of accountancy properly. First transaction, that is goods sold in cash for 500. Now we apply rules over here of cash transaction and credit transaction. एक तो पहले था, और okay, I have written rules right on this side. So we just identify this transaction following the rules only, that goods sold in cash for the 500. When cash is given, तो cash transaction, right? So first one, that is a cash transaction है, ये है, right? Okay. Then goods purchased for 800. When cash and name of the person दोनों नहीं दिया हो, तो यहाँ पे कैश वर्ड भी नहीं है, नेम ऑफ द पर्सन भी नहीं है, दोनों नहीं है, तो कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट? देन गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज़ 900 सोल्ड टू मीना. व्हेन नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज गिवन, यहाँ पे है नेम ऑफ द पर्सन मीना, तो क्या है, नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज गिवन, तो क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन. सो दिस इज अ क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन. When goods of rupees, next, when goods of rupees 2000 sold to Nutan for cash. Now here name of the person is given, but cash word is also given. When cash is given, that means cash transaction. Cash दिया है, right? तो cash transaction. Next, salary paid 5000. Now salary, that is not a cash word and that is not the name of the person. Both are not given. Your name of the person is also not given, and cash word, that is also not given. Now when cash and name of the person not given, at that time cash transaction, right? आगे insurance premium paid 8000, same, cash word is also not given and name of the person, that is also not given, both are not given, तो cash transaction. Goods of rupees 200 received as free sample. Now see, next one, that is goods of rupees 200 received as free sample. Now see, here there is cash word is also not given, name of the person, that is also not given, but here there is no exchange through cash or check, right? तो एक तो कैश वर्ड भी दिया नहीं है, क्रेडिट वर्ड भी नहीं दिया है, नेम ऑफ द पर्सन भी नहीं दिया है, एक्सचेंज थ्रू कैश भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, तो क्या करें इसका? तो गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज़ 2000 रिसीव्ड एज फ्री सैम्पल. सो दिस इज नॉन इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट? वी आर रिसीविंग दिस गुड्स एज फ्री सैम्पल. वी डू नॉट पे मनी अगेंस्ट दिस, we only receive free sample. So this is non-economic transaction. Next one, ninth one, that is 3000 paid to Shah agency for advertisement, right? Now transaction हमें properly पढ़ना है. That is 3000 paid. Paid means either we have paid cash or we have paid check. Paid कर दिया है to Shah agency for advertisement. Now here clearly cash word is not given, right? But 3000 paid is given. Paid means that this is a cash transaction, right? Exchange through cash or check. आ रहा है रूल ये यहाँ पे, right? आगे 10th one, commission received 3200. Now here in commission, right, here in this cash transaction, cash word is also not given and name of the person is also not given, both are not given, तो cash transaction. Transaction number 11, Goods of rupees 5,000 purchased for cash. Cash word is given. Payment is made by check. Check word that is also given. Now both the words are given, so it is clearly we can say that this is a cash transaction. Goods of rupees 6,000 sold. Payment is received through check. Check word is given, so cash transaction. Rent received by check rupees 500. Check word is given, so cash transaction. Telephone bill of 700 paid by check. Check word is given, so cash transaction. Now next, last one. A check of rupees 3,000 issued to Lakshmi Ben for her dues. Now see here in this transaction, a check of rupees 3,000. Check word दिया है, right? So this is a cash transaction, right? Okay. So they are here in the illustration number 2, 1 to 15 transactions are given. Now revise this transaction by your own following the rules only. रूल्स के हिसाब से ही हम कैश एंड क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन इसको आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. So today your today's homework is write down rules of debit and credit transaction in your notebook and solve this illustration 2 also. We will solve exercise afterwards, but first of all you solve this illustration 2, right? Do your own only, right? Okay, bye all of you, see you tomorrow.